Meet the Prime Steeltech India Ringlock 48 series, a high-strength, globally compliant modular scaffolding system. It starts with heavy-duty vertical standards made from E250 grade steel. Each standard features a 48.3 millimeter outer diameter and a robust 3.2 millimeter wall thickness, which can be made up to 4 millimeters for maximum structural support. Every 500 millimeters, a high-strength E350 steel rosette is welded to the standard. These 8-hole connection points allow up to 8 components to connect at once, providing full 360-degree flexibility. Assembly is fast, simple, and requires no power tools. Just insert the wedge head into the rosette and secure it with a hammer strike. The connection locks instantly, creating a strong and reliable joint. Horizontal ledgers in diagonal braces, manufactured from IS 1161 compliant steel pipes, lock the structure together and provide excellent stability under heavy loads and challenging site conditions. The advanced multi-directional design allows the system to adapt easily to complex structures. It can be configured around circular tanks, curved walls, industrial facades, and other demanding geometries. The system safely supports loads of up to 58 kilonewtons per leg. For long-term durability, every component is hot-dip galvanized with a 45-micron zinc coating to resist corrosion and prevent rust. Engineered for safety, built to meet strict international standards. Contact Prime Steeltech India today to configure the right Ringlock system for your next project.